20-year milestone, Pichelmann. Established in 2005 by Parry and Meike Pichelmann, Pichelmann Custom Building Service has built a strong reputation for excellence in custom homes across the ACT. With a skilled team of 20, Pichelmann delivers high-quality custom homes, architectural renovations, and award-winning projects. In 2019, the business expanded its services with Pichelmann Maintenance and Minor Works, delivering high-quality craftsmanship for projects of all sizes. The company's achievements include multiple industry accolades, with team members recognized as Emerging Builder of the Year in both 2008 and 2019. Pichelmann marks 20 years as a member of Master Builders ACT in 2025 and remains dedicated to creating exceptional homes and championing excellence in residential building.